Hey, so this is my follow-up script to JP Aligner, which pretty simply it puts the JP Aligner abilities into a modifier. Here you can see this is how you set up the modifier. You simply give it a name, choose one of the JPA groups which you have predefined, obviously. Those are just the ones in the screen up top there. And once you hit build, it will build the actual mesh. It freezes up max and it starts to hang up sometimes it doesn't. I can't explain why. I don't know. Some internal thing. And so there you can see that's an example of the actual mesh. I chose pretty simple, non-complex meshes for this. Kind of regret that. I wanted to show just how interesting stuff you can make with it. But here's the same thing, the exact same instance, but run on a different size of polygon. And you can see it goes through the whole same thing, and it does it all as if it were in a freeform deformer. Although you might also notice that it randomly selects which groups it builds when it runs. So every building should be as unique as the number of groups that you have assigned it to might be. That doesn't make any sense. Is as unique as the number of groups that it can variably have. Well, anyway, you'll see. So here it is, same thing with a long size polygon. And it runs through it. And I should mention it doesn't only work on top-down polygons. You can also choose side planes. I had an example with windows on the front of these buildings, but I forgot to save that. Anyway, I'm just running off to school right now, so I try to produce something really quick. And so lastly, here is the same thing done with the exact same instance of the JP Architecture, JP attribute holder. And you'll see that when it runs, it pretty much makes the same kind of building, but each instance is unique. You can make it so it's all the same instance, which is actually, it makes it run a lot faster. You just have to have one variable or one group that holds the variables, or the other groups. I should explain how to set it up better, but as you can see, each one of these is unique. And that's just because I set it up so that each one shows up differently, which I think is neat. It's kind of hard to tell, but the floor heights on each floor are different sizes as well. So that is JP Architecture Party. I think you should download it and give it a try. It's all free right now, and I will love some advice. I have some more features to add to it. It's not as fully fleshed out as JP Aligner yet, but pretty much I think it's one of those things that will be used exactly the same way. So give it a try. See what you can make. I'd love to have any feedback or see any creations done with it.